What if there were no countries? No flags, no borders, no passports. Just us. John Lennon imagined that world in 1971. And 50 years later, it still hurts to hear that song, because deep inside, it still feels impossible. Why? Turns out, our mind is wired to divide. Studies in cognitive psychology show that even toddlers will create teams from random colors. We don't need history books to learn separation. Just one thought: we versus they. Neuroscientists found that the moment we feel part of a group, our brain floods us with oxytocin, the bonding hormone. But here's the catch. The same hormone that makes us love our group also makes us distrust outsiders. Remove the borders on a map, and we'll paint new ones in our minds. We say we want peace. But peace isn't built in treaties. It's built in the tiny choices we make every time we meet someone not like us. Without countries, would we really stop fighting? Or would we just find a new them to fear? Sometimes the border isn't out there. It's right here, in the space between who we love and who we refuse to understand. So maybe the real question isn't what if there were no countries, but this: who would we be if we stopped drawing lines at all? The map has changed 1,000 times. But people, we haven't yet. And maybe that's why Imagine still hurts. Because the world it dreams of is still waiting for us to cross the border within.